Yoruba people, it is time that you explain to Igbos what exactly is the reason why you hate Igbos so much. Why are you guys setting up our shops on fire? Every 2 months, every 1 month. Just last week, they set Igbo people's shops ablaze in Lagos. Now again, they have set our shops ablaze in Oshodi Market, destroying Igbo people's shops again, destroying their properties worth millions and millions of naira. I mean, this is getting too much. Why the hatred? Why the hatred, my brothers and sisters? Why is the hatred on Igbos like this? Every time Igbo people travel to the villages for Christmas, every December, their shops must get burnt. Go and check the statistics. I'm not just saying what I'm saying. I have made several videos about this.